I think people, no doubt, they're inspired when they're connected. Connected to the land, connected to biodiversity, connected to a community. And so if we're able to demonstrate that learning and raise levels of awareness, people will be able to take ownership of their land, of their biodiversity. By motivating them to become more involved, hopefully we will have more custodians in the future. The first project at Woodlands Conservation Area essentially demonstrates our commitment as community, as alien clearing contractors, to demonstrate our control over invasive alien plants. It's quite a critical project within the Dassenberg corridor, as it ties in with our protected area expansion strategy and being able to increase our conservation estate, decreasing the risk for fire and abstraction of water. The second project that we've highlighted was a means to raise the awareness levels within schools.
So every month we've got a different topic about conservation, and then attached to that topic we've got a certain craft assignment where we show them how they can teach the rest of society about what they've learned through art.
The Mamre Eco Horse Trails, the idea is really to have more tourists experience the Mamre town and surrounds in terms of its natural and cultural heritage. It also helps them to raise awareness of the unique biodiversity value of the landscape and experience Mamre. Conservation is also people related. It does care for the natural environment as well as the people aspect. It absolutely makes sense to work together and get projects jointly off the ground.